Once a search is complete, there are several ways to work with your search results in Nexis Uni. From the Search Results page, find the content categories and search filters on the left. Open the Show More link to reveal all content used in the search and see the number of results in each category. Use this list to quickly navigate to other content results. Refine your results by choosing one or more post-search filters. Selected filters appear above the filters list and can be edited or removed individually by clicking the X or all at once by clicking Clear. You can also make this filter a favorite to use for future searches by clicking the star icon. Find actions at the top of the page using results. Schedule a search to run automatically by clicking the Create an Alert button and complete the fields to receive notifications. Save the search to a folder to access later. Open the More menu to find additional actions such as grouping duplicates to manage article redundancies. Group duplicates is available for news content only and can be turned off by default. You only need to select one. High similarity groups documents that are nearly identical in text, and moderate similarity groups documents that cover the same core story but with minor variations. Translate results to another language and click the refresh icon to return to the original language. Results can be viewed in 3 different ways. The title view shows the article title, date, and publication. The full list view is the default view and includes the title view with the article text showing highlighted search terms for context. The Analytics view presents search results in a variety of interactive graphs that can be used to filter results and then individually downloaded in CSV or PNG format. From the results list, select articles and choose an action such as download, save to a folder, print, and more. View and manage selected articles by clicking the Selected link. Create a cite list by clicking the Cite icon. Choose the kind of citation, how you want to receive them, and the format. Click the Preview button on the right of a single document to view summary of the article and full text. Open a document by clicking its title. Choose from the actions at the top along with article navigation such as jumping to sections of the article and search terms. Export the article citation by clicking the button under the title. Learn about the source and see more details on companies mentioned in the article by clicking the corresponding links on the right. Jump to the next article in the results by selecting the arrows on the right of the screen and return to the results list by selecting Back on the left.